Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got over at CVS for the week. I know I didn't get a lot, but I got it all for free, so I still wanted to share these deals with you guys. It is, almost 6 o'clock in the evening, my time on Sunday. It's hard to do a video and drink coffee at the same time because there's no one talking back at me, but normally right around 5:30 I have some pick-me-up coffee to get me through the rest of the night. And yes, I love coffee. So I might be drinking in some weird pauses. Let's talk about the best deals that I got over at CVS. I'll walk you through each of them individually. If you haven't checked out my Walgreens video, definitely do so because Walgreens has some amazing deals. I likely am going to do a second Walgreens video this week because I bought even more stuff that I think you guys might want to know about. So definitely check out those videos. Last week or 2 weeks ago, I did a deal where I bought the Suave Kids body wash at $2.99 because I had a $3 coupon in my CVS app. Well, I got the same coupon again. So $2.99 minus that $3 digital coupon. I paid nothing for this. Literally, my total at the register was $0 and my receipt printed just fine. I do go to the cashier. I got that question a couple of times last week. Do you do self-checkout or go to the cashier? I prefer going to the cashier when I do my shopping, but I have used self-checkout before. The Wet n Wild. So I noticed I had a digital coupon for like $2 off, and it was like really not specific. It said Wet n Wild. I'll pop it up on the screen. There were a lot of different things, but I wasn't sure what all it would attach to. It attached to this lipstick that was $1.49. I was looking for anything less than $2 that I could get for free. So I got a Wet n Wild lipstick, $1.49, minus that $2 digital. Of course, it became completely free. That digital coupon just automatically adjusts down to the cost of the item. So let's talk about CoverGirl. There's a deal this week where you buy 2, you get $5 in extra care bucks back, or you buy 3, you get $8 in extra care bucks back. I just bought 2, and this is how it worked out for me. I bought one of the face at $7.99. I bought one of the eye pencils, the Perfect Blend, at $6.99. I had 2 $3 coupons from the newspaper insert, so those were actually paper coupons that I used. I also had the free cosmetic item coupon that had been emailed to me, I believe, and that took off another $3.99. So my total cost out of pocket, I paid $4.79, and then I got $5 in extra care bucks back, making both items completely free and a 21-cent moneymaker. Now, when I say I pay out of pocket, I've mentioned this to you guys before. I actually will use my Fetch Rewards money that's in my account to buy CVS gift cards and then pay with a CVS gift card. That way no money is coming out of my bank account. Now these Glucernas, they are on promotion for buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck. They're $5.99 each. I did use one $3 coupon from this week's inserts. I also used a $3 digital coupon as well as a $2 off 2 digital CVS coupon. So I paid $3.98 at the register, got back $5 in extra care bucks, making them both free and a $1.02 moneymaker. And I give these to someone specifically. They like the Glucerna products and they use the Glucerna products, so I get to give her a couple more. The Garnier. So this is a good deal as well. I picked up 2 of the Garnier Skin Active Wipes. They're buy one, get one 40% off, or buy one, get one half off. They're buy one, get one half off. So one will ring $6.99, one will ring $3.49. I had a $2 digital coupon in my app, as well as a $2 coupon that I got from coupons.com. I paid $6.48, but then got a $5 extra care buck back, making them both $1.48 or 74 cents total. The last thing I grabbed, and I've grabbed these a couple of times now, so you're maybe tired of hearing about this deal, but these are buy one, get one half off, the Frutella. So one will ring $3.39, one will ring $1.69. You'll pay $5.08 at the register, but then submit your receipt to Shopkick, where you're gonna get $5.52 back for scanning the items and buying them, making them both completely free and a 44-cent moneymaker. Now, a lot of people have been asking me about Shopkick lately. If you are brand new, you don't have the app yet, it's a completely free app. If you grab it using my referral code SWC5, you're gonna score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. So I love Shopkick, it's a great app. I love all the apps that let me get stuff for free, but Shopkick may actually be one of my favorites, and it's one of the ones I grabbed later in the game. All right, so when I add everything up, all of it was completely free. I didn't have a good like 8 off 40 or a 3 off 30 this week. I think that free cosmetic item was the goodie that I got in my email this week. So I'm hoping for like a purchase-based CRT for this coming up week. We'll just have to see how it goes. Now, since I didn't get a ton of stuff, if you found amazing deals, please share them in the comments. That way everyone can benefit from the deals that everyone else is doing. Hope y'all have a great start to your week. Thanks.